Are you interested in legal debates on controversial issues that are going to challenge your thinking? Let's dive into 5 most thought-provoking debates that you need to watch. Now, I have to say this, YouTube, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So now, legal debates on controversial issues, they can be powerful as they tackle tough questions that affect our society. So whether it's about human rights, freedom of speech, or privacy, these debates help us to understand the complexities of the law and how it applies to real-world issues. All right, so here are 5 of the best legal debates on controversial issues that you need to watch. Now, the first one is the debate on abortion rights. It's a heated discussion on women's rights to choose and the legal implications surrounding the abortion laws. And then you got the freedom of speech versus hate speech. This is an important debate on balancing free speech with the need to protect against harmful rhetoric. Another one is the right to privacy. It's a debate about how much privacy individuals should have in an increasingly digital world. There's also the gun control laws. It's a passionate debate on the right to bear arms and the importance of regulating gun ownership for safety. There's the death penalty debate. It's a compelling discussion on whether the death penalty is ethical or just under the law. These debates, okay, I'll put them in the description for you to look it up. They're going to open your mind to important legal and moral questions that shape our world. If you like what I just said, leave me a like. I love you.